This classy, low-rise building located in a vibrant neighborhood in the heart of the nation's capital is ready for you. This updated, bright two-bedroom unit offers stylish living with all the conveniences you're looking for. The open-concept living and dining space gives the unit a clean, wide-open feel. The modern kitchen offers plenty of cupboard space, features stainless steel appliances, and quartz counters with room enough for bar stools. Mealtime prep is easy and fun. In-suite laundry further adds to the convenience of this home, and the large private balcony is a great spot to wind down at the end of your day or take a break and enjoy a little fresh air. Large bedrooms and an updated full bathroom presents more options for a busy professional, with space for a home office or guest room. Indoor parking, heated driveway, and a large locker are also included. Be a part of this boutique condo living with only 11 well-managed and cared-for units. Condo fees include heat, water, air conditioning, gas, building maintenance, HVAC, landscaping, snow clearing, insurance, superintendent, and management. Even better, leave the car at home and walk to the Byward Market, shops and restaurants, the National Art Gallery, Parliament, Global Affairs, the Mint, and University of Ottawa, just to name a few. Don't miss this opportunity to be at the center of it all. Be sure to call Nina Krakowsky of Tracy Arnett Realty to schedule your private showing today.